So we have the cab here, and our projector screen, and you can see a little bit of the stand. So we have our control panel for starting the simulator here. We have our on button, which turns the computer on, our start button, which starts our macro, and then this top one here is our this is the shutdown button. So we'll start it up here and I'll show you. So now we have power to the computer. So I'll show you the projector next. So next what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the macro start here. I'm going to push the start button. There you go. Okay, so now you'll see the macro start here on the projector. And we're selecting the train and starting it up. Now we're going to hit Shift Z. Oh, taking away the gauges first. Now we'll hit Shift Z. So now we're going to open up Cheat Engine here. This is all automated through JTBit. I'll post some links.